In the modern business world, it can be hard to stand out against the competition. Everyone and their brother, mother, father, cousin, and best friend seems to be running a website related to SEO, digital marketing, online advertising, social media exposure, and more. How is a solid business like yours or a marketer like you supposed to stand out? And the answer is quite simple. Put a plan in place now to inspire your potential market in the online world. No matter what kind of business you do, your customers needing help online have a lot of things in common. We all struggle for publicity. We all read the same books. We all know how hard it is to make a buck online and fight to market our business better than everyone else. That's why quote posters are so effective. They have the slogans and uplifting comments that all the players in the modern marketing space are looking for, and the inspiration to spread and share them with others. Not only that, with solid branding and linking of the posters, they can direct traffic to your page, giving you an opportunity to have more traffic and more conversions. Everything in the modern age now depends heavily on a social media presence and, of course, a solid email list. How can you get the attention of marketers in your space with content that they will truly want to share and attract more customers? The answer is in this pack of 100 quote posters, based around modern marketing quotes, sayings, and statistics. You can brand them with your business website or logo, inspire your customers, and funnel them to any link or location you want. It's viral traffic. The process is super easy for you too. That's because we've done all the heavy lifting for you. We've put together the pictures and the quotes, primed everything for optimum viral potential, and if that weren't enough, we've included all the editable PSD source files with this pack. Customization and image branding has never been easier. Just open the PSD file and drop in your logo or your brand. Post the image anywhere with a link to anything, share, and watch your audience like and share it all over the place. People won't think twice about clicking the share button on the quote poster images because they can relate to it. It's really all that simple. You'll be the one ultimately driving the traffic because you're doing all of the inspiring. And we all know that inspired people are compelled to take action. Just check out the page below for previews of the images now. You can secure your copy today for one low price using the button on the following page.